Hello guys, right now we're gonna teach you guys how to slide hop, and here's my friend,
Hello guys, I'm 80.
and we're gonna start playing right now.
Play Krunker. Okay, so to start off, WSD is to move. W is forward, S is backward, A is left, and D is right. The basic in any game. I now to switch guns, Q will take out your combat knife. You can hold it out by holding the right mouse, and then this is gonna aim it. But if you take too long, it's gonna show up that. So you have to do it before it gets red, and you have to throw it with left mouse, and then it throws. You have to try to hit enemies with that. Now, to switch to your pistol, you basically just switch when you run out of ammo and there's someone on you. You push E. Now, to jump, it's just spacebar, and a little trick you can do is push spacebar and shift when you're jumping in the air. This will make you jump and hop, which will make you faster during moving in the game. And that's pretty much it.
Alright, so this is how you slide hop. You hold shift in the air and you hit jump. The second you touch the ground, giving you a lot of momentum, which is sort of complicated, but yeah, we're gonna be showing you some gameplay and then playing a little bit with my friend later into this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and leave a comment below with your thoughts and questions you may have.